If she's not feeling good, she'll just leave her alone.
Fight the rest.
Yeah.
What do you see for her in the circle so far today?
I think she's just been okay. She's left a couple of balls up, and the one that got hit over there, over our fence here. But she's been okay. We just gotta continue to take good at bats. Our plan has been good, and we've got to do our part to help her out here.
What was your plan at the plate? What adjustments do you guys need to make against Odyssey?
We just need to stick with our plan. We can't abandon it just because we haven't scored yet. We've had some good at bats. We put the ball, play hard. They've made a couple of nice plays here. We just gotta keep grinding this thing out here. I think we'll be just fine.
All right, you want to hit a couple dance moves like
No,
what's going
these
on
guys are nuts.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. All right.
I'm sure Kenny Gajewski said something, but I don't know what it was. Because Raquel Dominguez just shotgunned a bottle of water behind him.